your level 1 plan elements, in this example, big ideas, you can move on to create the child elements below big ideas. You will notice the left to right navigation panel at the top of the page. We will move on to create the child initiatives under these big ideas. Once you have set your date range that lies within the date range of the overall plan, you simply click Save and Next. You will then move on to the initiative area to create initiatives. As with every plan element, you must specify the date range of this plan element to land within the date range of the parent plan element, in this case, big ideas. The big ideas ran for 1 year, and so we will run this specific initiative within the same date range. Once those dates are selected, you can give your initiative a name. Whatever that name is. And then what you do is you need to assign this specific initiative to the parent-child element big ideas. If you have created multiple plan elements, all available plan elements will appear in a drop-down list for which you can assign the initiative. In this example, we have only one big idea for which to assign this initiative. Simply click on it and now it is assigned. As always, you will see red asterisks next to any required information. After we've assigned it to the big ideas, we move down to the mid-page horizontal navigation panel where we see details, historical analysis, resources required, and current review. Again, you will see pop-up tooltips that provide information about this field. So, for example, historical analysis, you would provide information about work that has been done in the past with similar initiatives, such as progress, areas of concern, and strategies. For resources and requirements for the particular plan element, provide a description of the resources of time, money, talent, equipment, software, training, etc. that will be required to achieve the initiatives. Under current review, this is a summary of what is happening currently with the plan that will be on a variety of reports within the platform. None of these fields are required. However, under details, there is a description requirement, so you describe the initiative in detail for your stakeholders. It's also required that you assign a plan element owner. This is a basic tenet of project management strategic planning, where every aspect of the plan and all the various elements and components are owned by specific individuals, and they are required to monitor the implementation and execution and reporting on that plan element. If you click on the Select Owner drop-down, all available owners will be there for you to select. Simply click on the name and it will appear in the box. You can also assign team members to specific plan elements, in this case initiatives, and as was the case with an owner, you can multi-select a variety of people to add to this team. If you wish to remove a team member, simply click the X next to their name, and you can go on adding additional team members. Plan elements can also be assigned to schools or departments within the school district. So if this particular plan element is only going to be implemented at specific schools, as with selecting team members, you can select multiple schools. If this plan element is designed for all schools, simply click the All button, and all schools within the district will be assigned to this particular initiative. Many aspects of strategic planning will be completed by district departments. And so you can input the various departments that you have in your school district. For example, we could select human resources. Other fields available for entry are review frequency. This is helpful to let team members and plan element owners know when their next review is to provide an update on the progress. This could be daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The progress status, when you are first creating an initiative, will default to the to-do status, and the alert status will default to on track. Upon reviewing plan elements, different options will be available to indicate progress.